Hello again, everyone. Today I'm going to present for you a Yamaha cassette deck. I think this is the first piece of Yamaha equipment I've presented in this series of audio videos I've done. And this cassette deck is Yamaha's entry-level deck from 1980. It sold for, I think, about $240, and it's model number K-350. And Yamaha at the time, aesthetically, it's very pleasing, very clean lines. If you look across the faceplate, their amplifiers and receivers, they all had the similar brushed aluminum, very clean design, and it's very attractive, and their quality is very high. The workmanship in this, in anything Yamaha, I've found just to be really top notch, and carrying through to even to today. I find their equipment, it's always reliable, good sounding stuff. Yamaha used the term natural sound, and I've found in their equipment from the late 70s and the 80s that I've owned, even the speakers, it's not colored, it does sound natural in a sense, and very pleasing, very good quality. And I'll just show you a few of the features on this cassette deck. And as I said, this is the base model, so it doesn't have a whole lot of bells and whistles, but you know, we have the power button here. I'll power it up. We have down below the headphones, piano key style controls. The door flips down here to show you, record, rewind, play, fast forward, stop, pause. And when you play, it's open. I mean, you don't have a door that pops out like a faceplate. You hit play, and the record heads and the record and the play heads pop up from underneath, as does the drive wheel there on the right. And it goes and hides, and then you pop it back up and it stays clean and everything like that. Very nice. Over here, I'll just turn this light off for a moment. It's a pale green light that's lighting up the VU meters. And it's very attractive. To the left here we have the counter and the counter reset. And it's all behind glass. Very nice glass. The record levels left and right. Dolby, just on and off. Tape, LH, chromium dioxide, and metal. Then we have the microphone inputs. Very clean, very simple looking. Very nice. Now the case on this one is kind of a fake rosewood, I guess you'd say. And I had a receiver with this at one point, and that I gifted to a friend of mine who was really into Yamaha equipment. But it is like a rosewood. It's very dark, very attractive. I think it might have come in a walnut as well. Looking inside, we do have fuses here. The motor's dated September 1980. I've had to put a new belt in. I just used a perfect size elastic. It worked out really well. Not for the long term, but for the short term. Very clean. It was a well cared for unit. The two lights, the bulbs, are right here. It's fairly easy to get at if you had to replace bulbs or something. And the cables going to your amplifier or receiver, Yamaha built them right in. They're connected right up, wired right into the back in here. So you don't have to you don't have to acquire your cables. Built right in. Good idea. Put something on here. To put a tape in, just push it up like this, snap it in, then hit the play button.
There'll be no streets
EBU meters show equal activity on both sides. Really sounds nice. Stop, fast forward, whatever. Just a very, very nice system, cassette system here. Now there's another YouTube video where somebody has, and if you do a search on Yamaha K-350 you'd find it, because it's really, really good. Because a fella has taken one of these, taken the guts out of it and converted it into a computer. He's put all the computer, the motherboard and the drives and everything inside, and connected up the face, all the electronics in the face. He's connected it to the internals of the computer, and he's turned it into a computer, and it's really something to see. But I'm not going to do that with this. I like this one a lot, so I'll keep it as a good playing cassette deck. Thanks everyone for watching.